on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. It is a Friday night. It is 7:15 p.m. and I've just decided to start Vlogmas and let you guys know that I will be participating in Vlogmas this year. Guys, I am challenging myself this year to participate in Vlogmas. I'm gonna see how it goes. I really hope it goes well. I'm planning on vlogging every weekend, so each day will have its episode. Like if I'm gonna vlog on a Friday, so for the next 3 weeks, I'll be vlogging every weekend and giving you guys at least 2 to 3 episodes during the week. So I really hope that I can do it. Like, pray for me. Sometimes you just need to shock your system. And also guys, please note that the giveaway is still running, and if you haven't entered, please do so, because we have postponed the end date to the 25th of December, which is Christmas Day. So you still stand a chance to win yourself luxury cushions. Today, I finally want to take out the couch out of the box. Like, guys, fun fact, I bought this couch. I'm so ashamed to even say this. Like, I bought this last year this time. Because I was busy with DIYs, I never took it out of the box because I was like, I need to finish my DIYs before I take it out, because if I do take it out before I finish my DIYs, I'm gonna mess on it, and it's really like light, so I don't want paint going on it. I don't want, yeah. So I was just trying to protect it. Basically, I was just trying to protect it from all the dust and the dirt that comes with the DIY, and I was just like, man, I'll take it out once I'm done with the DIYs. And I never completed my living room DIYs where I used to live. So here I'm just like, I'm just gonna take it out. I'm not gonna wait for DIYs here. I'm just gonna take it out. So the building you guys just saw that lights up at night, that is Hilton Hotel, and that's where my gym is. So I'm gonna head over there. So I'm only gonna go swim because my physio said I should stay off cardio and all these exercises that are gonna make me lose some weight and just focus on swimming for now, because that's gonna help my knee. So that's what I'm gonna do for now and probably for the rest of the month. So let's go.
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it live. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso, under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso, under the lazy evening sun. shapes how we feel. It's a wondrous ride.
I'm back. I am back. I'm back from the gym, you guys. I really enjoyed swimming. I haven't swam in like forever. You know, every time I travel, I don't really swim. I just like relax in the pool, walk around, just get my body wet because I don't want to get my hair wet. I usually have a hairstyle that doesn't allow me to like just dip into the pool and swim. So like I hardly swim when I go on vacation. And you can't take cute shots with a swimming cap. So yeah, that's the reason why I don't swim when I go on vacation. I just like relax. I'm gonna have dinner with mulled wine, so I'm quickly gonna prepare that and just relax on my new couch while I watch something.
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it live. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso, come and swim.
It's actually tiny.
Come and swim to the loco paraíso.
It's my first time making my own mulled wine, and I must say that it was a bit sour. But what I did is I added honey, a little bit of honey to make it taste like sweeter, because honestly I have a sweet tooth and I just can't handle sour drinks. Like, what is the point of drinking sour drinks? Like, I can't.
Under the lazy evening sun.
The cinnamon that I put in here is cinnamon that I brought from back home. Like, I bought it at Macro before I came here. If you've been on this channel from day one, you would know that when I came here, I brought a whole lot of spices and soap, and like I just brought a whole lot of things. Like, I knew that we were gonna go on lockdown and I was just gonna live for 5 months without a salary. It actually helped me a lot. So the only spice that I still have left is the cinnamon, because I don't use it as much, you know. And even when I do use cinnamon, I don't put in a lot in my food. I think this is where we need to end this episode. I probably need to start packing for this mini trip that I'm going on tomorrow. But guys, let's keep it short. Like, I really want to keep my episodes short, but I know myself, I just don't stop talking. So bye for now. See you in the next episode. We are here. VLOGMAS Yaaay. VLOGMAS Yaaay.